Ciao. I got a Thursday open house for you. Wanted to show you around. The house is in Vogel Park. It's a 3-story rehab. It's been fully redone. I want to show you the outside first because they did a pretty good job with it. All right, so you can see behind me that there is a really nice backyard and space. I will also tell you that Woodside is right here. 3-story, 4-bed, 2.5 bath, totally redone, beautiful house. Let's see. So 4-bed, 2.5 bath. The master's on the 3rd floor. Beautiful bathroom. I'm gonna show you all of it. Really tastefully done. And I'll tell you, it's minutes from Hi-Hat Coffee, which is a favorite. You can walk to it. Yeah, easy. And then a restaurant at 1900s right here. And then you got Westport. You got the Plaza, West Plaza neighborhood right here. It's really fantastic. I told you where, you could walk to Woodside. It's right there. Police and fire are super close by. Pupinis, I can name a ton of things that are super close for you as walking distance. Really excited about this house and excited to show it to you. Let's go inside. As I said, it's 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. It's 1,800 square feet. And this was built in the 20s. It's beautifully redone. The value in this area is in super high demand, so it's a good investment. I would be jealous of the person coming to buy this home. There is a basement. I'm not going down there because it's dusty. I don't want to get dust all over the floors. It doesn't really matter for this house. But what do you think? Do you like my open house walkthroughs? I haven't been like studying how to give you an open house walkthrough. I'm just kind of learning by trial. I would love it if you like and subscribe my video so that we can gain some traction. I'm trying to grow the channel. And every like, every share, it helps. I really mean that. And I want your comments more than anything. I'm Bellucci, Frankie Bellucci, Kansas City Realtor. I help people buy, sell, and invest in real estate. How can I give to you? So, what else do you want to know? I think that's it for today. Ciao.